Let's start today's lesson. For that, I'm going to draw one plus sign in the middle of the paper. Now I'm going to do small boxes. So this side I'm making more length and this side less length. So kind of like a rectangle shape. This way I will know how far I can go with my lines. So this side I'm making bigger than this side little bit. Same thing I will do on the bottom. Now I will give basic shape. So this is going to be curvy here, but I will do later. This one I will do here, one line here. Maybe this is the halfway. So under that I will connect like this. So this is going to be the shape for the head. Now I'm going to curve and fix them. So this one will be curvy all the way here, and then it will turn and go down and then out like this. Same thing I will do here. It will go a little bit in here and then go out here. This is kind of, this line is fine, but this side I will do a little bit more deeper and then it will go here. So this is my line, little bit of space, and from here I can do a little bit straight and then turn, kind of like alphabet V. I'll make it fat here and then I will come back. Now from here I will go and I will make it pointed. So now I can just adjust all these things. So I really want this part to be pointed, and same thing over here. I will go and make it same size like this. And I will erase this part. Now this is the line and this is going to be the middle of this line a little bit here. So we can start from here and we can turn this one on the bottom of this line. We will curve it, and when we'll reach on the halfway we can turn a little bit this way, so it can be here like this shape, and this is going to be turning somewhere here, and we will start from here and it will go all the way down here. So if this is the line, it will go all the way down here. So it's just a straight line right now I'm doing, and later I will fix it. So we can start from here or a little bit this side, and it will go all the way up here like that. We can start here, and here we can draw a circle. This will go turn and it will go like that. So kind of like curving here and this way, and it will go in like that. So let me erase this line over here, and under this one it's going to be kind of, and this is the line. So we can do this much. Erase and make it lighter, all the guidelines. From here it will go up here and turn like this. This one we will also do small lines when we are going to shade, and we can match this height over here, and from For the guideline I will do alphabet S, and I can start from here, and this has to be pointy, so alphabet V here. So this is the plus sign, and we will start the first I from here. We will go down a little bit from this line, and I will go up here very close to this line, and I will leave a little bit gap here at the same time. And from here I will start. I go all the way here, kind of like a half circle, but smiley or happy, whatever you think. Try to draw that way, and it will start here like that. Now I will leave a little bit gap here, and just marking here. This is the line I have here. We can start from here. So this one will go sideways, and when I'm touching this line, after that it will go up, and then it will go down, and it will connect with this one. And from here I will pull a little bit line from here to here. I'm going to draw triangle shape. And from here, this is my line. I will start from here. This is the line, little bit up here. I will go down little bit just like this way, and then I will go here. This gap is going to be smaller than this one, and I will start from here very close to this one, and I will draw half circle again. We will draw a small circle type of thing over here for the reflection or lighting. And make sure when you are drawing this piece, do not go very roundish. This area can be a little bit bigger, and this has to be smaller, so then it will look like more better.